Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SF Stories. Let's make Saffron Delight. Take bread, cut the sides, place it in a dish. In a pan, pour milk, caramel powder, swell and place it in a stove. Add saffron and sugar, mix well and bring it boil. Once done, pour it to slowly. Let it cool completely. In a bowl, add fresh cream. Condensed milk. Mix well. Now layer it with the crushed biscuits. And cream. Decorate with caramel topping and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Enjoy the Saffron Delight. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.